Here we come to the elevators at the LINQ Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. These are Schindler 6400 NA elevators. I usually do not film modernized elevators, but don't let the call station fool you. Something interesting is inside. Let's check it out. We got this one right here. I'm gonna have to talk over the music because I don't want to get a copyright notification. Look at these fixtures. This is interesting.
Breakfast
These doors are locked. Oh, wow.
Glad I checked.
Let me go into the spa level.
Sure.
You okay?
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold something?
Oh, thank you. Here we go.
You're about to swat it, man.
Yeah. Plastics are good. What?
I pressed that. Oh, you're getting off here? This, are you going? Well, you're going to, you're going to 14, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, I thought someone was getting off on, I thought someone was not getting off, I think I kind of messed up. All right, you take care and have a good day.
You too.
These are Mad DMG Dune fixtures. I've never seen this on a Schindler 6400 NA. I mean, I've seen them online, but not in real life. This is the most interesting mods that I've ever seen. These used to be Dover Impulse when it was the Imperial Palace, until when it became the LINQ, these got modernized. Let's go back down to the casino. This is a nice elevator. Rather basic. Coming down?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, take care and have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. I'm not gonna do the other elevators because they're the exact same like this one. I have to keep talking and keep talking and keep talking and keep talking. There they go. There it goes, and that's it.